Hello students, now in our next lecture of physics, we are dealing with the new topic, that is the image formation of an object when placed in front of a convex lens. I think we are repeating these lectures because we are revising these lectures again. So here is a convex lens and the case is that the object is placed beyond 2f. We already know that whenever the object is placed beyond 2f, the image is between f and 2f. Whenever the object is placed between 2f and f, the image is far away from 2f on the other side. So here is the object AB and it is placed beyond 2f. 2f is the focal length, which is double of focal length. 2f is the distance, which is double of focal length. So one ray will go parallel to the principal axis. It will converge because convex lens is converging lens, and another ray will go pass through the optical center, and these both rays meet at a point. This here A dash B dash is the real and inverted image forms. This image is of a smaller size. So if we have to denote also the distance from the optical center, so it is plus V image, and this distance we will take as minus U. So here whenever the object is placed beyond 2f, the image is real inverted and between f and 2f. The same is there. Third case you will see first of all that whenever the object is placed between f and 2f, the image is beyond 2f. So here the object AB, again we take the same ray is parallel ray will pass through the focus point, another ray is pass through the optical center. These both rays meet at a point which is away from the 2f. Hence A dash B dash is the image. This is real and inverted and magnified. We can write down here as magnified image will be formed. So second case is this, when an object is placed at 2f, the image is at 2f and of same height. This we can write down of same height. So how? Again at 2f, this is the same case when the object is placed in the mirror at center of curvature. We get the image at the center of curvature and of same height. So here the object is at 2f, AB is the object. The same ray will pass parallel to the principal axis. It will converge from the focus point and goes through it. Now the same ray will pass one ray. Again we will take through the optical center. These both rays meet at this point. This is A dash B dash, and these both rays meet at 2f. That is the same focus point at 2f and of same height. Now in next lecture we will go through one numerical that is based on the concave lens. So a concave lens of focal length 20 cm at a distance. At what distance from the lens? A 5 cm tall. So focal length concave lens 20 cm, that is negative, we already put up. And another, at what distance from the lens? A 5 cm tall object be placed. So 5 cm tall object, it is HO object. So that it forms image at 15 cm from the lens, it means that it is V, 15 cm. One thing is that concave lens always produces image of virtual and erect, but on the same side. So same side we take it as a minus sign. Now from the lens calculate the size of the image. It means H2 we have to find out. H2 means HI image and H1 means HO 5 cm. From the lens formula, 1 upon f 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. If it is mirror formula, we use plus 1 upon v. U we have to calculate 1 upon v minus 1 upon f. V minus 15, that is given. F focal length, that is given, minus plus. So LCM 60, and by calculating it is 60 and u is minus 60. It means object is placed at 60 and image is getting at minus 15 cm. M is equal to HI upon HO, that is H2 upon H1 is equal to V by U. Again we will putting the value V, U and HI, that is HO, and we calculate H2 as 1.25 cm. Thank you to all.